Hello, myself Munur Siddappa, Assistant Professor EEE Department, JIT Davangere. Now we are going to conduct an experiment on measurement of three-phase power using two wattmeters. Here in this experiment we are going to measure the three-phase power by using two wattmeters. Two wattmeters are W1 and W2 in this circuit diagram. This is a circuit diagram of the given experiment. The components required for conduction of the experiment are: we require three-phase supply and MCB, then ammeter, wattmeters, two wattmeters W1 and W2 to measure the power, voltmeter to measure the voltage across any two lines, and ammeter to measure the current flowing through the any one line. Then three-phase load we have to connect. So here three-phase load is star connected, that is we have here. This is a three-phase load. This is R1, Y1, B1, this is a neutral. Okay, here we are measuring the power by using two wattmeters W1 and W2. Now let's see how we have to connect the circuit diagram. From the three-phase supply, first we are given to the auto transformer. It is not shown here. Three-phase supply is not directly given to the circuit diagram. Through the auto transformer we have to connect. From the auto transformer we have given RYB phase to MCB. Then this is the R terminal, this is a Y terminal, this is B terminal. See, this is R, Y, this is B terminal. From the R terminal we have to connect for the ammeter. Ammeter end is connected to the M terminal. M and C are short circuited. There are four terminals in the wattmeter: mains, line, common and voltage. Then line terminal L is connected to the load R. Then back to the Y line is connected to the M, main terminal of the wattmeter 2. M and C are short circuited. L is connected to the B. Then B is connected to back to the B terminal of this one. This is the RYB terminals. See it in the load, R, Y, B. Now V terminal of the wattmeter 1 and V terminal of the wattmeter 2 are get connected, and one of the terminal of the V terminal of the any one terminal W1 and W2 connected to the B line. See, this is very important, we have to note down. V of the wattmeter 1 and V of the wattmeter 2 and the B line are connected at the single point. Got it? So this is the circuit diagram how we have to connect. Let's see how the experiment going to be conducted. First, this is the three-phase supply. This is a three-phase supply, R, Y, B and neutral. From the three-phase supply we are going to connect to the auto transformer. This is auto transformer. We can vary from 0 to 440 volts. So this is the input terminals. These four terminals are taken from the main supply. These are the output terminals of the auto transformer. These four terminals R, Y, B, neutral. These four terminals are connected to the input to the kit. This is the kit R, Y, B and neutral. So this is the MCB. Then these are the output terminals from the MCB, R, Y, B. This is the R, Y, B, C. This is R, Y, B shown here. These are these three terminals R, Y, B, and the rest of the connection are made as per the circuit diagram. So now we are going to switch on the main supply. See, this is the main supply I am going to switch on now. From this to auto transformer, then we are going to turn on the kit supply. Now MCB is going to be on. Okay, now I am wearing a three-phase supply of, we can give up to 440 volts. For the safe concern, we are going on the 300 volts from the auto transformer. So 300 volts input supply is given to the circuit diagram. This is the input voltage that is going to be measured between the two lines, R and Y line. Okay, now we have to turn on the load. One switch of the load. Now we are going to measure the readings of all the meters. Take V as, this V as 300 volts, that is here it is measured as 290 volts. Then ammeter, it is 0.742, we have to take the value 0.742. Then W1 192.8, then W2 199.6. V I, W1 and W2. Then power is going to be measured by using 2 wattmeters, that is addition sum of the 2 wattmeters W1 W2 gives the power. To get the more readings, more set of values, we have to switch on the another load, then take all the 4 readings. Keep on applying the load, increasing the load by step, and note down the all 4 readings: voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2, and finally we have to calculate the power. This is the what we measured here. This will be the 3-phase power measured by using 2 wattmeters W1 and W2. After taking 3 to 4 readings by applying the load in steps, we come back by switch off the load. After making all the loads to 0, then we move on to the auto transformer, bring back to the 0 position. Then MCB is going to be off. Then kit supply we have to make it off. Then main supply we have to turn it off. So this is a procedure how we are going to measure the 3-phase supply by using 2 wattmeters method. Be cautious while connecting the circuit diagram, because we are giving 3-phase supply. It is very dangerous. Okay, thank you.